When it comes to taking care of your CNC machine, it is important to use the right lubrication oil to assist the internal machinery. No-stop high-speed lubrication oil from am.co.za is a linear guide rail oil for high-speed moving guide rail lubrication. Unlike thick engine oil, our oil is very thin, which means less friction and less dust particle attraction. Is specially designed to reduce the downtime of the machine by reducing friction between the critical rotating and moving machine components, which then translates into equipment durability, longevity, and continued uptime, resulting in maximized machine performance. The correct usage of our lubrication will help the manufacturers make the most of their CNC machines. To apply it, move the runner block on each axis to one extreme. In most cases, you will need to move the entire carriage, which is assembled together with the runner block. You can use the direction keys on the control to make the move. Now wipe a thin layer of no-stop high-speed lubrication oil onto the rails with a brush or non-woven cloth. And then jog the carriage back and forth with the buttons. Most of the oil will be pushed aside by the bearing seals, but some of it will get in there, and that is enough to do the job. After you've jogged the carriage back and forth a few times, wipe the excess oil from the rails so that it doesn't attract dust. The am.co.za lubrication oil comes in a 1 litre bottle and can also be used on any of the am.co.za machine's moving parts to improve functionality. To find out more about the am.co.za no-stop high-speed lubrication oil, you're welcome to contact sales on 060 600 6000.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. am.co.za. Achievement matters.